Good day and welcome to learning exercise 8.6. Unit 6, we're looking at a circle diagram, terms associated with it, elementary. These things are generally what I pick up lately, your books don't do it. Right, so they have a circle. Any line drawn through the center that touches both sides of the circumference of a circle are referred to as a diameter. The line that goes from the center to the circumference is referred to as a radius. Right, you see this line and the diameter, or this radius and that radius opens up a sector of the circle. There, if it doesn't come from the center and we cut a piece of it, we're cutting a segment of the circle, so that's referred to as a segment. And the segment is normally formed when a chord is drawn. A chord is any line that touches both sides or two sides of the circumference of the circle but does not go through the center. Then we have what we refer to as a secant. Right, secant is a line drawn in such a way that it will intersect with the circle at two different places, and that line is referred to as a secant, or sec as you learn it in grade 10. And then we have a tangent. Tangent is any line drawn that touches a circle or any graph at only one point. That line is referred to as a tangent. So circumference simply means it's the full length of the circle. So if I have to take this line and I break it open and I put it flat, I want to find out what length does it cover. So circumference, full length of the circle. Diameter, as I said, line that goes through the center of a circle and makes contact with the circumference at two different points. So there's my diameter. Goes through the center generally indicated with O. Right? Diameter, you should know from grade 8, is twice the length of the radius. So you see, from O to there is a radius, and from O to there is a radius. So diameter consists out of two radii. Right? Secant, line that makes contact with the circumference of a circle at two different points but does not go through the center of the circle. Tangent, line drawn that only makes contact with the circle at one point, right, which I've shown you. There's a tangent, right. A radius, a line drawn from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle, or radii are of equal length. So they have a radii, they have a radii, they have a radii. Very important that you understand they from equal length, because here, as soon as I show those are two equal lengths, you should see if I draw a line there, it forms a isosceles triangle. So in our geometry problems, there are a lot of isosceles triangles due to the radii being equal in length. And then last but not least, chord is a line drawn that makes contact with the circumference, 2 points, but does not go through the center of the circle. Right, so that's just a basic introduction to a circle. It's different parts, what each thing means. So I hope as we go through all your theorems that you will know these things and they will be mentioned as we are proving items. God bless. Continue working hard. Believe me, geometry is not difficult. Just requires practice and discipline. So if you can master geometry, it means you are mastering discipline and you're in control of your mind. As I say, the root to knowledge lies profoundly in one's ability to maximize discipline of the mind. Right? So take control of your mind, continue working hard, continue becoming better and better. God bless, all the best, let's blossom.